Hi there, I'm Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing an unboxing for Cocoa Daisy today. I'm on the Cocoa Daisy design team and I get sent a wonderful box each month. This is the May box and I haven't actually had a look inside yet. I've opened it, but this is my first glimpse. So I've got quite a few bits and pieces here. I'm not quite sure what is here. I've got some of the bits have fallen out. I've got the planner kit. I've got the classified kit, and I'm just going to pop these to one side because I'm not actually sure what these are. We've got a Summer Wishes card, and that's a note from Christine. I will leave that there for you if you want to pause and take a read. So I'm going to start with the main kit. This is the May main kit. I love these out. Look at these colours. What a lovely contrast, don't you think? I like that. Let's just spread them out a little bit. So yellows and pinky reds and a little bit of minty green. Oh, these are fancy. Let's have a look. Now, as a designer, because our kits get sent out earlier, we don't always have everything. So I'm not sure if there's anything else still to come that would be in the normal kit. So we've got some crocheted flowers. These are really sweet. They would make lovely embellishments. Pop them onto hair clips. You could pop them on pencils to make fancy pencils, or turn them into planner clips. I always like to keep my glassine envelope bags as well. We've got these lovely stamps. Live in the sunshine, swim the sea, drink the world air. And that one says filled with joy and the weekend. Really nice. We've got some washi strips here. These are like stickers. Die cuts. I love the die cuts. Let's have a little peek. Flowers, hearts. I really like these tabs. I use these a lot on the side of photographs. Other tabs, hello sunshine. Oh, I like the hello. I might start using that straight away. I feel really excited. I love die cuts. I love using them so much in little clusters on 12 by 12 pages. I've got stickers. Oh, these are nice. More stickers. These are chipboard alphabets. And we've got enamel dots. And we've got some words here. Ah, here. So it says, this, our life in pictures, musings and documented. That's really cool. Again, they'll make really nice titles actually on 12 by 12 pages. So let's have a look at the papers. Enjoy the little things. Oh, that's so nice. I think I'll definitely be using that side. We've got some, they look like poppies, don't they? I like those. But I love that side. I always like to keep up on top my favourite side. So that's what I'm doing now as I'm going through it. I love that. Oh, that's so nice as well. I think I might have to go with that one. Oh, the lollipops, the ice lollies. They are so cute. Definitely love the ice lollies. We've got this. These are pretty colours, aren't they? That one's really nice. We've got some sea star. Oh, look, I do love dots. Love the dots. The stripes are really nice as well. Keep that stripe side up. So we've got this one here, and I like that side better. And then we've always got cardstock in with the kits as well. So this is the paper add-on. You can buy this in addition to the kit. And this is Pink Fresh Studio. I absolutely love this company. It's very me. I like the colours. I like the simplicity of the designs. It's got a real cleanness, I think. It's a company I really enjoy working and using their stuff. I think I've got two here. The quality feels really nice as well. Look on the bright side, I like that. Oh, that's nice. And that's Fancy Pants, that one. This is the Day in the Life kit. I'm really enjoying these bags. I mentioned them last time when I did an unboxing, and let's take that off. There was a bit of a hoo-ha on the, I think it was on the planner chat group about them, people preferring the fabric, and some people saying about not being environmentally friendly. I actually reuse these, so as far as the environment goes, it's fine because I use them. I really like having my kit inside because I can see what I've got, and we actually went away for a weekend last month and it was really nice. I bagged up a whole load of stuff to take so I could scrapbook whilst I was away, and I really enjoyed having it in these bags. So I actually, as much as I love the fabric ones, I do really like these as well. Let's have a look and see what's in here. We've got the black words again. You can actually see there, vacation, bucket list, summertime breezy, and numbers. That might be quite nice actually. I've got a trip coming up, so they would be quite handy. And let's have a look and see what's in here. Oh, it looks like these are numbers as well. Rather large black numbers. I like those. Oh, I've just spotted the stamps. These are so much fun. We've got May, June, Just Chill. We've got a little box. That looks like a bit of paint, like it's all ink that's been swiped over. We've got a bracket, and do your best to enjoy your day. I love those so much. Some stripy washi. We've got more of these like border stickers. They're quite cool. We've got alphabets, more alphabet stickers. And the papers here, these are the same as the Cocoa Daisy exclusive 12 by 12s, but they've been cut into 6 by 6s. And then we've also got the journal cards. So we've got do what makes your soul happy. Oh, happy day. That would be nice framed, wouldn't it? We've got some floral. What a day. Oh, that one's a nice one. Oh, I love that. Be filled with joy. That's really nice. And they're really handy. And let's have a look at the Diddy ones. Hello today. I like things like that. Again, I like just framing them. And let's have a quick flick through. Say yes to new adventures. We've got May. We've got June. They're just really bright and happy. They're really nice for all kinds of projects. I really, really like using these. Very happy with those. And finally, I have my planner kit. So I've got some floral washi. Oh my goodness, look. Oh, how cute. I've got a bag. Oh, that's just made my day. I love this so much. That's so cool. You can actually put your planner stuff in there, couldn't you? Oh, look at the spots inside. I was watching a video recently, and it's something I've been meaning to do. I do it a little bit already, and that's having little bags like this, little zip-up bags in your main handbag. I think the Americans call them purses, don't they, in your handbag. And actually like having your sunglasses, having your note papers. Obviously you've got your wallet, your purse separate from that, but and keeping your makeup separate. So you've got lots of little zip-up bags inside your main handbag, and I'm actually thinking about doing that. So I'm going to add this to my collection and use it for that. Oh, these are nice. These are so cool. Like little flags, aren't they? Quite like those. They feel quite leather-like. Ah, and they're sticky as well on the back. That's really fun. We've got a little bicycle. And we've got some more lovely die cuts. I like it when you can see them on the back and see what you've actually got. I like the tabs there. Quite a lot of florals and little banner flags. Got a little notepad. I like to keep a notepad by my planner just so I can make little notes. That's quite handy. Oh, we've got a bike clip. How sweet. And we've got more die cuts. And then we've got the June planner pages. So I can get my June planner set up. We've got stickers and more stickers. These are more stickers. These ones feel a bit more sturdier, these ones. And then we've got my planner dashboard for June. And then we've got the pages. I love the colours. They're such happy colours, aren't they? And I use these for my menus, my weekly menu. I've then got my planner, weekly planner spread there. And then there's the daily to-dos. One for each day of the month, and then I've got card at the back which matches, and these can be used for dashboards if you want to make your own. And on the back as well, here of the planner, the menu, what I use as my menu, you can also make notes. So that is the Cocoa Daisy main kit, the paper add-on, the day in the life or the pocket memory keeping kit, and also the planner kit. I hope you've enjoyed that. So much stuff. I'm going to lay this all out and take a lovely photo and see what I've got. Thank you so much for watching. If you love Cocoa Daisy, if you love scrapbooking, if you love planning, please do subscribe, and please give me a lovely thumbs up and leave a comment below if you want to say hi. I'm going to get cracking, tidy this away and start scrapbooking. Thank you very much, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.